Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials so setup doesn't stall. Make sure your router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz network and have the password ready. Plug the Woox camera into power and watch for the LED blue blink. This indicates pairing mode. Open the Woox app and sign in or create an account now. You'll need it for device registration. Once done, tap Add Device and grant location and network permissions so the app can detect the camera on your local network. Next, follow the app prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi. Choose the correct 2.4 GHz SSID inside the app. Woox cameras don't support 5 GHz. Then enter the password slowly and use the show option to verify characters. If the app uses QR or sound pairing, display the generated QR code to the camera lens or hold the phone near the camera speaker. This exchanges credentials securely. Once the app shows connecting, wait for confirmation and don't interrupt power or Wi-Fi during this transfer. After the camera joins your network, finalize settings and verify why things work. Open Live View to confirm video, enable motion detection if needed, and set recording or cloud options. Physically mount and aim the camera, then change the default device password to a strong one. If the camera fails to appear, perform a factory reset and repeat pairing. Also make sure your router's DHCP is enabled and no firewall blocks device ports. If intermittent, move the router or use a Wi-Fi extender to improve signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.